Hello friends, today we are discussing about the topic for Mughal Emperor objective type questions. In this video, all questions and answers are double cross-checked and double verified. So trust and watch it. First question, match the original names of Mughal ruler with their popular names. Original name and the popular name. This is match the following type of questions. First one, Jalaluddin, Zahiruddin, Nuruddin, Nasiruddin. Which options are correct? Your answer is Jalaluddin, popular name Akbar, Zahiruddin, popular name Babar, Nuruddin, Jahangir, Naziruddin, Humayun. Shahjahan is popular name for Shahabuddin, Muhammad Quram, Aurangzeb, Muhyiddin, Jahangir, Nuruddin, Akbar, Abul Fath Jalal Uddin, Muhammad Akbar, Babar, Zahiruddin, Humayun, Nasiruddin. If you study in objective model questions, you cannot remember the same questions for the next week. So, if you study in extra options solutions, you can easily remember the same questions for the next week. That is special of our video. So, subscribe our YouTube channel. Next question. Top of Babar is located in which of the following places? Option 1, Agra, Kabul, Kandahar, Istanbul. Which option is correct? The answer is Kabul. Top of Babar is located in Kabul, Afghanistan. On December 26, 1513 AD, Mughal Emperor Babar died in Agra due to over-drinking. Dash made Agra the capital of his empire. Option 1, Sikandar Lodi. Second one, Humayun. Third one, Shah Jahan. Fourth one, Jahangir. Which option is correct? Answer is Sikandar Lodi. In Sikandar Lodi was the Sultan of Delhi between 1489 and 1517. He was also poet of Persian language and prepared a divan of 9,000 verses. Agra was founded by him. Humayun was the second ruler of Mughal Emperor and Jahangir was the fourth ruler of Mughal Emperor. This is the extra informations. Next question. Who among the following initiated Din-e-Ilahi? Option 1, Jahangir. Option 2, Humayun. Option 3, Akbar. Option 4, Babur. Which option is correct? Who among the following initiated Din-e-Ilahi? Your answers are Akbar. The Mughal Emperor Akbar initiated Din-e-Ilahi. The components were derived mainly from Islam and Hindustan, along some other were also taken from Buddhism, Jainism, and Zoroastrianism. Birbal was the first follower of Din-e-Ilahi. Akbar succeeded his father Humayun under the Emperor Bayram Khan. These are also extra informations. Next one, Humayun Nama was written by which option is correct? Your answer is Gulbadan Begum. Gulbadan Begum was the Mughal princess and the youngest daughter of Emperor Babur, the founder of Mughal Emperor and the first Mughal Emperor. Humayun Nama was written by Gulban Begum, Humayun's sisters. This is important. Humayun's sisters. He is well educated persons. Next one, who introduced Mansabdari system in India? Who introduced Mansabdari system in India? Which option is correct? Option A, Jahangir. Option 2, Humayun. Option 3, Akbar. Option 4, Babur. Which one is correct? Your answer is Akbar. The Mansabdari system was the administrative system of the Mughal Emperor. introduced by Akbar in 1571. The word mansab is of Arabic origin meaning rank of position. Next one, the mausoleum of Sher Shah is located in which place? Which option is correct? Sesaram, Delhi, Agra, Kalinjar. Your option is Sasaram. The mausoleum of Sher Shah is located in Sasaram, Bihar. Sasaram is located in Bihar. His real name was Farid. In some of question papers, not mentions for Bihar, only mention for Sasaram. So you can combine to study Sasaram and Bihar. His real name was Farid. Its construction was started in 1540 and was completed in 1545. It was designed by architect Mir Muhammad Aliwal Khan. This is also important. The mausoleum is an example of Indo-Islamic architecture. Next one. The Mughal emperor is chronicle order. This is the extra information from Babur to Aurangzeb. From Babur period 1526 to 1530, Humayun 1513 to 1540, and had 12 years of exile and again he ruled from 1555 to 1556. Next one, Sher Shah 1540 to 1545. Next one, Akbar 1556 to 1605. Next one, Jahanagir 1605 to 1627. Next, Shah Jahan 1628 to 1658. Next, Aurangzeb 1658 to 1707. Next question, Mughal Emperor Jahangir was married to Noor Jahan. What was the original name of Noor Jahan? Which option is correct? Your answers are Mehra-un-Nisha. Jahangir's real name was Mehra Noor Din Bijin Muhammad Khan Salim. He got married to Noor Jahan. The real name Mehra-uddin Nisha in 1611. Mehra-uddin Nisha. This is the correct answer. Next question. The Mughal emperor reached in greatest extent under which rule? Which option is correct? Jahangir, Shah Jahan, Akbar, Aurangzeb. The Mughal empire reached in greatest extent under which rule? Your answer is Aurangzeb. The Mughal emperor reached its greatest extent under Aurangzeb. The Aurangzeb accessed the throne in 1658 and ruled supreme till 1707. Next question. Where is the top of Mughal Emperor Jahangir in Pakistan? Which option is correct? Islamabad, Hyderabad, Lahore, Karachi. Your answer is Lahore. The top of Mughal Emperor Jahangir is situated in Lahore. It dates back to the year 1637. It is the second tower between Lahore, Punjab, and is located in bank of river Ravi. This is very important. Bank of river Ravi. Next one. Through which among the following battle was Mughal Empire established in India? Battle of Karnal, first battle of Panipat, battle of Kankra, second battle of Panipat. Which option is correct? Through which among the following battles was Mughal Empire established in India? Your answer is first battle of Panipat. In first battle of Panipat, it took place in 1526 at Panipat. This battle marked the beginning of Mughal by defending Lodi kingdom and the end of the Delhi Sultan. And Battle of Karnal, it took place in 1739 at Karnal. This battle took place between Nader Shah, the founder of Hasperid Danshit of Persian, and Muhammad Shah of Mughal Danshit. Next, Battle of Kangar, it took place in 1526 at Gangra river near Bihar. And second Battle of Panipat, it took place in 1556 at Panipat. Subscribe our YouTube channel Time to Save. Then only you can update more videos like this. Next question. The Mughal Emperor Babur brought his autobiography in which of the following language? Which option is correct? Your answer is Turkish. The Mughal Emperor Babur brought his autobiography in Turkish language. The name of autobiography was Turki Baburi. Babur was the founder of Mughal Emperor in 1527. It was later translated into Persian during the reign of Akbar, the third Mughal emperor. Here you do the mistake. Your answer is take the Persian language. It's not correct answer. Correct answer is Turkish. Later, Persian language converted by Akbar. Next question. In which city is the famous French Mahal often described as wine catching tower situated? Wine catching tower situated in which place? Which option is correct? Your answer is Fatpur Sikri. Panchmakal, which is also known as Wine Catching Tower, it is situated in Fatpur Sikri, Uttar Pradesh. It was built by Akbar for entertainment and recreational activities. Next question. Who was the founder of Mughal Dynasty? This is easy question and one of the most important questions. Your answer is Babur. The Mughal Empire was founded by Babur in 1526. Babur was a Central Asian ruler. The son name was Humayun. He took throne in 1530. Ibrahim Lodi was the last ruler of Lodi Dynasty, who was defected and killed by Babur in the Battle of Panipat in 1526. These are all extra informations. That is our special offer video. Next question. Who was the finance minister of the Mughal Empire during Akbar region? Who was the financial minister of the Mughal Empire during Akbar region? Which option is correct? Your answer is Raja Todarmal. Birbal was the advisor and the supreme commander of the army in the region of Akbar. Rajman Singh was the general of the army. Tension and was musician in the Akbar court. Next question. Sir Thomas Roy visited the court of Mughal ruler as the ambassador of King of England. Which option is correct? Jahangir, Shahjahan, Akbar, Aurangzeb. Your answer is Jahangir. Sir Thomas Roy visited the court of Mughal ruler Jahangir as the ambassador of the King of England in 1659. 1615, he lived as the resident of Agra till 1619. Next question. Who among the following was not a part of Navaratna during the reign of the Mughal Emperor Akbar? Which option is correct? Your answer is Tulsidas. Here, 9 Navaratnas. Next question. Which mosque was Shahjahan's last architectural marvel? Which mosque was Shahjahan's last architectural marvel? Which option is correct? Your answer is Jama Masjid. Jama Masjid in Delhi was the last piece of architecture made in Shahjahan vision. The Mughal monuments in made out of white and marble and red sandstone. Who executed the fifth Sikh Guru Arjan Dev? Who executed the fifth Sikh Guru Arjan Dev? Which option is correct? Option 1 Jahangir, Shahjahan, Akbar, Aurangzeb. Your answer is Jahangir. Guru Arjan Dev, fifth Guru of Sikhism. Guru Arjan Dev was born 15th April 1563. Jahangir, surnamed Khusru, was influenced by the teaching of Guru Arjan Dev, hence they decided to follow Sikhism. Next one, Mughal Emperor adopted the title of Alamgir. Which option is correct? Mughal Emperor who adopted the title of Alamgir? Option A Jahangir, Shahjahan, Akbar, Aurangzeb. Your answer is Aurangzeb. Alternative title Alamgir was adopted by Mughal Emperor Aurangzeb. The original name of Muhyiddin Muhammad. He was the last of great Mughal Emperor of India from 1658 to 1707. Next question. Bahadur Shah, the last Mughal emperor, was the exiled to which place for fear to another rebellion? Which option is correct? Your answer is Burma. Bahadur Shah, the last Mughal emperor, was exiled to Burma, Rangoon, for fear of another rebellion against the British army. The revolt of 1857 started from Meerut on 10th May 1857 and reached Delhi with the slogan Maro Firki Ko. With the slogan Maro Firki Ko. Next question. Where was the first Indian residence established in Mughal India? This is very important questions for all competitive exam. Where was the first Indian residence established in Mughal India? Which option is correct? Madras, Bombay, Surat, Kolkata. Your answer is Surat. The residence town of British East India Company were trading settlement that were established in India by company before after complete invention in Surat. The top of Ibrahim Lodi is situated in which of these cities? Top of Ibrahim Lodi, which is city? Which option is correct? Your answer is Panipat. Top of Ibrahim Lodi is situated in Panipat in Haryana. Ibrahim Lodi was last ruler of the Lodi dynasty, who was defected and killed by Babur in the Battle of Panipat in 1526. Subscribe our YouTube channel Time to Save. Then only you can update more videos like this. Which of the following was the major industries in Mughal period? Which option is correct? Your answer is cotton cloth. The manufacturing of cotton cloth was a major industries in Mughal period. Next question. The Peacock Throne was commissioned by. This is most important question. Which option is correct? The Peacock Throne was commissioned by. Your answer is Shah Jahan. The Peacock Throne was commissioned by Shah Jahan in the early 17th century. It is located in Diwan I Khas Hall of Private Audience or Minister of Room in the Red Fort of Delhi. The Peacock Throne had a famous Koh-i-Noor diamond emerald in India. Next one, who among the following prohibited the use of tobacco? Who among the following prohibited the use of tobacco? Which option is correct? Option A Akbar, Jahangir, Shahjahan, Aurangzeb. Your answer is Jahangir. Where is the Ramnagar fort situated? Ramnagar fort situated in which place? Answer Varanasi. It is situated on the eastern bank of river Ganga opposite to the Tulsi Gate. It was built in 1750 by Kashi Naresh Raja Balwant Singh. It is made up of Chunar sandstone and in the Mughal style. Next question. The Persian translation of Mahabharata done in Mughal period is known by which name? The Persian translation of Mahabharata done in Mughal period is known by which name? Which option is correct? Your answer is Rasmanama. The Persian translation of Mahabharata done in the Mughal period was Rasmanama, Book of War. Rasam is Persian means war and Nama means tally. Next question. In which year was the Battle of Buxar found? This is important question. In which year was the Battle of Buxar found? Which option is correct? Your answer is 1764. The Battle of Buxar was found in the year 22 October 1764 between British East India Company against the alliance of Mughal Emperor Shah Alam II, Nawab and Nawab of Bengal. Finally, the British won the battle and the Indian armies were defected. Next question. The Suri king who defected Humayun to regain his kingdom. Which option is correct? Your answer is Sher Shah Suri. The Suri king Sher Shah Suri defected Humayun to regain his kingdom in 1538. He was founder of Suri Empire. He ruled from 1538 to 1545. Sikandar Sher Shah Suri was the sixth ruler of Suri Empire. Next question. Sardas was the contemporary of which of the following Mughal ruler? Sardas was the contemporary of which of the Mughal ruler? Which option is correct? Your answer is Akbar. Sardas was blind Bhatt who spent most of time in thinking about Lord Krishna. He born in 1478 and died in 1583 in Biraj. He was great poet who basically known for lyrics the Persian of Krishna. Next question. The Battle of Halikati was found between the Battle of Halikati was found between your answer is Maharana Pratap and Akbar. The Battle of Halikati was found on 18th June 1576 between Rana Mewar, Maharana Pratap and the Mughal Emperor Akbar. Next question. Where did Babur die? Babur died at which place? Babur died at Agra. Babur died in 1513 in Agra and was succeeded by Humayun. Who was the shifted capital of Mughal Empire from Agra to Delhi? This question is most important and very important question for all competitive exam. Who was the shifted capital of Mughal Empire from Agra to Delhi? Your answer is Shahjahan. Next question. When did Vasco da Gama come to India? This question is also important. When did Vasco da Gama come to India? Answer 1498. May 20, 1498. Vasco da Gama was the best known for being the first to sail from Europe to India by rounding African Cape of Good Hope. Next question. Who of the following described Taj Mahal as a teardrop of the cheek of eternity? Who of the following described Taj Mahal as the teardrop of the cheek of eternity? Which option is correct? The teardrop of cheek of eternity is called as Rabindranath Tagore. The famous Jama Masjid of Delhi was built by the Jama Masjid was built by answer Shah Jahan. Jama Masjid in Delhi was built by Mughal Emperor Shah Jahan in 1656 AD. Next question. Match the original name of Mughal ruler with their popular name. That is name of Babur, Humayun, Akbar, Jahangir. Top is related to which places? Babur Top is at Kabul, Humayun, Delhi, Akbar, Sikandara, Jahangir, Lahore. These all are important questions. Babur Top located in Delhi. Babur Top located in Kabul. Humayun Top located in Delhi. Akbar Top located in Sikandara. Jahangir Top located in Lahore. Next question. Month scale in Manchad-Badri system was introduced by month scale in the Manchad-Badri system was introduced by which option is correct? Introduced by Shah Jahan. Month scale in the Manchad-Badri system was introduced by Shah Jahan. Under Shah Jahan, we have new scale of pay, monthly rations, and new regulation prescribes the size of contingents under various war rank. Next question. Who was the last Mughal emperor? This question is also important question. Who was the last Mughal emperor? Answer is Bahadur Shah II. Bahadur Shah Jafar, also known as Bahadur Shah II, was the last Mughal emperor of India who reigned from 1837 to 1857. Who is architecture of Taj Mahal? Ustad Ahmad Lothiri. This is very important questions for all competitive exam. Who is architecture of Taj Mahal? Ustad Ahmad Lothiri. Taj Mahal is ivory white marble mausoleums on the southern bank of River Yamuna in the Indian city of Agra. This is also important. It was commissioned in 1632 by the Mughal Emperor Shah Jahan, reaching from 1628 to 1658 to house the tomb of his favorite wife Mumtaz Mahal. The Taj Mahal was designed as the UNESCO World Heritage Site in 1983. This question is also important. When was Taj Mahal was considered for UNESCO World Heritage Site? It's considered for UNESCO Heritage Site 1983. This question is also important. That's all. Subscribe our YouTube channel Time to Save. Then only you can update more videos like this. Thank you.